Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve. Okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this. This body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very nice looking here. Okay guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in millimeter, grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help of this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution 6. This is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a Okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body. Then this is a, this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a, this 34 millimeter is a, this use a thread. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a, okay, both reference line is drawing here. Okay, connect to this reference line is very very important, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is a 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. Okay, and connect a line. A line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and press click a mirror about this, and okay, and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. Okay, and this point to this point distance is a 76. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. All is black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is a, this is a tangent line. Okay, all is correct. And okay, this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 26 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle. 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, or use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. Okay, and select this and this. Okay, and through all extra portion is delete here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet. use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch, normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. Okay, and this is exit, because apply a, okay, this is apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle, and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal, because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color, means this is also fully defined, and exit, and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect, and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a, okay, this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here, and metal, and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here, and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect, but going to this select here, and material is a, okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color, means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect. Select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys. थैंक यू। हाय गाइस, अगर आप डिजाइनिंग कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो आप कैट सेंटर बोरिंग रोड पटना में आइए। यहाँ पर सभी प्रकार का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स अवेलेबल है। यहाँ पर सिविल का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स, मैकेनिकल का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल का डिजाइनिंग कोर्स और पीपीएम का मैनेजमेंट कोर्स अवेलेबल है। और कोर्स विद सर्टिफिकेट के साथ आप आराम से यहाँ डिजाइनिंग कोर्स कर सकते हैं। और इंक्वायरी के लिए आप कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर यहाँ पर दिया गया है, आप यहाँ पर इंक्वायरी कर सकते हैं। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू।